Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Emma. In this video, you'll learn how and when to use the past simple tense. You'll learn the structure of positive phrases, negative phrases, questions and short answers, and you'll also learn the correct pronunciation of regular verbs. Let's get started. Let's start by looking at the structure. So, for positive phrases, we use the subject plus the past simple form of the verb, or V2, that's verb 2. I enjoyed the film last night. I dropped my glasses. We stopped asking questions. They studied French yesterday. You cooked dinner last night. He baked a pie last week. She walked to school this morning. It played in the garden. For the negative, we use the auxiliary verb did. So, subject plus did not, which can be contracted to didn't, plus the infinitive form of the verb. Notice how we don't use the past simple form of the verb here, or verb 2. We use did plus not plus infinitive. I didn't enjoy the film last night. I didn't drop my glasses. We didn't stop asking questions. They didn't study French yesterday. You didn't cook dinner last night. He didn't bake a pie last week. She didn't walk to school. It didn't play in the garden. For questions, we also use the auxiliary verb did. Did plus subject plus the infinitive. Did I enjoy the film last night? Did I drop my glasses? Did we stop asking questions? Did they study French yesterday? Did you cook dinner last night? Did he bake a pie last week? Did she walk to school? Did it play in the garden? And we also use did or didn't for the short answers to questions. So, did you enjoy the film last night? Yes, I did. Yes, we did. Yes, they did. Yes, you did. Yes, he did. Yes, she did. Yes, it did. No, I didn't. No, we didn't. No, they didn't. No, you didn't. No, he didn't. No, she didn't. No, it didn't. Now, the ed endings of regular verbs. Let's look at the spelling rules. For most verbs, we simply add ed. Work, worked. Walk, walked. Climb, climbed. Rain, rained. When the verb ends with e, just add d. Love, loved. Save, saved. Arrive, arrived. Like, liked. When a verb ends with consonant plus y, we delete the y and add ied. Study, studied. Reply, replied. Deny, denied. When a verb ends with a vowel plus y, we add ed. Play, played. Annoy, annoyed. Delay, delayed. Enjoy, enjoyed. When a verb ends with consonant, vowel, consonant, double the final consonant and add ed. Stop, stopped. Prefer, preferred. Trap, trapped. But if the word is stressed on the first syllable, just add ed. We don't double the final consonant. Happen, happened. Enter, entered. Offer, offered. Listen, listened. When do we use the past simple? We use the past simple to talk about finished past actions, and we use a time clause. For example, yesterday. I walked to school yesterday. This action happened in the past and is finished. There is no relationship with the present. We played tennis yesterday. She studied German last year. I cooked an egg for breakfast this morning. They wanted to go to the park last Saturday. I watched an interesting film last night. I finished my book last Tuesday. She passed her maths exam yesterday. We also use the past simple tense with ago to indicate how much time has passed since an action happened. So, look at this example. Now is the year 2020. So, 2016 was 4 years ago. 4 years have passed since that time. I finished school 4 years ago. I saw him 3 years ago. She finished my book 2 months ago. I got home 10 minutes ago. They finished university 20 years ago. I went to the cinema 6 weeks ago. I lost my phone 2 days ago. We finished the course a month ago. Your friend called half an hour ago. Now let's look at the pronunciation of the regular verbs. There are 3 different ways to pronounce the ed ending. D, t, id. Ed is never correct. So let's look at some verbs where the ed ending is pronounced d. Now listen and repeat. Climb, climbed. Live, lived. Love, loved. Enjoy, enjoyed. Try, tried. Play, played. Beg, begged. Hug, hugged. Arrange, arranged. Compare, compared. Approve, approved. sail, sailed. Advise, advised. Apologize, apologized. Close, closed. Now let's look at some verbs where the ed ending is pronounced t. Work, worked. Walk, walked. Like, liked. Cook, cooked. Watch, watched. Match, matched. Wash, washed. Stop, stopped. Jump, jumped. Hope, hoped. Laugh, laughed. Dress, dressed. Impress, impressed. Chase, chased. Pass, passed. Now let's look at the verbs where the ed ending is pronounced id. When is ed pronounced id? When the infinitive ends with t. Let's see some examples. Act, invite, count. Now the final sound of each of these words is t, so we pronounce the ed ending id. Acted, invited, counted. Or if the infinitive ends with a d sound. Avoid, depend, explode. Because these verbs end with d in the infinitive, the ed ending is pronounced id. Avoided, depended, exploded. Let's see some more examples. Wait, waited. Want, wanted. Hate, hated. Accept, accepted. Appreciate, appreciated. Calculate, calculated. Decorate, decorated. Add, added. Divide, divided. Need, needed. End, ended. Afford, afforded. Offend, offended. Fade, faded. Include, included. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found the video useful, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, then hit the subscribe button. That's all for now. Have a great day. Bye.